Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about fundamental rights. The first branch of fundamental rights we'll discuss about features. First one is Magna Carta. It is also known as Magna Carta of India. Part it is a part of Part 3, which consists of Article 12 to 35. This feature has been borrowed from USA and France. Fundamental rights can be suspended during emergency except Article 20 and 21. Fundamental rights available only to citizens and not to foreigners. Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30. The next branch of fundamental rights is we'll discuss about the details of fundamental rights. First branch is right to equality, which consists of Article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Article 14, equality before law and equal protection of law. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, sex, etc. Article 16, equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 18, abolition of titles. The next branch is about right to freedom, which consists of Article 19 to 22. Article 19, six rights: freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Article 20, protection in respect of conviction for offences. Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 22, protection against Article 22 is protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. The next branch is about right against exploitation, which consists of Article 23 and 24 only. Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Next branch is right to freedom of religion, which consists of Article 25 to 28. Article 25, freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. Article 26, manage religious affairs. Article 27, freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion. Article 28, freedom from attending religious instruction on worship in certain educational institutions. The next branch is about cultural and educational rights. Which consists of Articles 29 and 30. Article 29, protection of interest of minorities. Article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. The next branch is about right to constitutional remedies, which consists of Article 32. It includes writs. These are habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. Article 32, as described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is the heart and soul of the Constitution. In case of any of the fundamental rights being in case of any one of the fundamental rights being deprived or denied to the resident of the country, the individual or party has the right has the right to present their case in a court. In this case, the court has the flexibility to assign writs to the public in the form of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, and certiorari. So that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned for more such informational videos like this.